All right, let's dive into how to entice and engage your YouTube audience with a step-by-step guide. First and foremost, you need to understand your target audience. Who are they? What are their interests, pain points, and desires? Tailor your content to address their specific needs and preferences. This will instantly make your videos more relatable and engaging. Next, craft a captivating hook that grabs their attention from the very beginning. Use a bold statement, a thought-provoking question, or an intriguing anecdote to pique their curiosity and keep them hooked. Remember, you only have a few seconds to make a lasting impression, so make it count. As you dive into the meat of your video, maintain a conversational tone. Speak directly to your audience as if you're having a one-on-one conversation with a friend. Use relatable language, inject humor when appropriate, and share personal stories or experiences that resonate with your viewers. Incorporate storytelling elements to make your content more engaging. Paint a vivid picture, create suspense, or take your audience on an emotional journey. People are hardwired to respond to stories, so leverage this powerful tool to connect with your viewers on a deeper level. Sprinkle in valuable, actionable information throughout your video. Provide practical tips, insights, or strategies that your audience can immediately apply to their own lives. This not only establishes you as an authority in your niche, but also keeps your viewers engaged and eager to learn more. Remember to maintain a consistent energy and enthusiasm throughout your video. Your passion and excitement will be contagious, inspiring your audience to stay engaged and invested in your content. Lastly, encourage interaction and feedback from your viewers. Ask questions, encourage comments, and respond to your audience in a timely and genuine manner. This fosters a sense of community and makes your viewers feel valued, ultimately leading to increased engagement and loyalty. By incorporating these strategies, you'll be well on your way to creating viral-worthy YouTube content that captivates and engages your audience from start to finish.